Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko. So as you can see right here, we're going to be talking about Tezos, Tether US dollar. With the Tether US dollar, and as you see, Tezos is sitting at a price around $3.05. $3.05. I'm going to be giving you the technical analysis, the predictions. So if that's interesting for you and that's what you want to find out, and also I will be marking up the chart like in front of your eyes, no cuts or edits in this video. And let's just get straight into it, and I would suggest you to watch till the end because this video will not be that long at all. You can see how long it is, and also I think you can walk out with some kinds of like informations, and also I'll ask you right now, it's just like the video, and that's about it. Let's get straight into it. We're gonna be looking at the weekly chart first of all, because Tezos has been really been trending around from like before 220. Like this was the first weekly chart candle that we have is on the 13th of September 2019. Okay, so yeah, pretty old project and a pretty beautiful project that I can really like trust on. Okay, a lot of people will not agree with me, but it is what it is, bro. Everyone has their opinions. I trust Tezos, and I'm pretty happy with how this coin is moving. We did manage to break the structure, and yeah, like we did manage to push to the upside, and what I think that will be happening at the moment. This is what I think that will be happening. Okay, a lot of people will be calling me crazy, but yeah, we will see in the future if my prediction is right or not. That's it. Okay, that's it. From there on, if we manage to do something like this, I will be looking at the chart to kind of short something, but yeah, we'll see what will be happening. But overall, Tezos is a buy for me, and I'm holding this in my portfolio or in my wallet. And also, I'm not financial advisor. Everything that I said on this video is only for entertainment purposes only. And yeah, that's about it for today. So guys, peace out, have a great day for the rest of your day. That's it, bye.